Hi, today I'm going to show you how to check the ink levels on an Epson XP-342. Now, from the control panel on the front of the printer, we use the arrow keys here to move along until we get to setup. Then we press OK to go in. And from here, it's the very first option, 1 of 9. So we press OK again. And on screen, you get a little indication of the ink levels of black, cyan, magenta, yellow. See, our black's running pretty low, so that's going to need changing soon. And there's even the option to replace now for any that you want to address there and then. Right, hopefully you found that useful. If you have, please do give us a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please do let us know in the comments. And you can find a whole host of other videos for this particular machine on our channel as well. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.